Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So jumping right in, we're gonna prime with the Too Faced Hangover RX primer to give ourselves a very hydrating base. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below if you're new. Thank you guys so much for returning. And then next I'm going to be putting the lightest concealer shades that I have on my face to give me a very white, clear base. And if you need to go in with a face paint, you can do that as well. And then I'm just blending this out with my beauty blender. It does get a little bit drying working with just concealer, so make sure you use the hydrating base. That really helps everything blend out nicely. Do I look ghostly? Now I'm going to go ahead and set my entire face with the Airspun powder, and I'm using my beauty blender to do this, and then I go in with a more finer brush to actually pack more in. You want a very clean matte base to work with. Then I'm going in with my Jeffree Star palette, and this is Cherry Bomb, I believe, and I'm going to go ahead and contour with this, and I want to be pretty harsh with it because it is going to be like the main focal point of our face is going to be a lot of pinks, so this is really nice and it's very pigmented.
Kristin! It's popping now.
Now with this, I'm going to bring it up all the way to my eye and then up to my forehead. So this contour is going to be very close to the eye. I want it very like around the perimeter of our face, just like we've been like kissed by the pink sun, if that makes sense. And I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose. Using a finer detail brush really helped do this. And I'm just like sketching out my face to look very chiseled out, if that makes sense. Now I'm taking this Kylie Jenner liquid lipstick, and it's like very vibrant and pink, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows like this, and then later on I'm going to highlight them with a white, so it makes it look really like three-dimensional, and I want really bushy like furry brows because we've been in the garden and all that stuff because we fairies, so we're supposed to have bushy brows. Now I'm going in with a pink shadow from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and this is just a lighter pink. I believe it's called Bubblegum, and I'm going to pack that all over the lid, bringing it up pretty high because I want all of our features to be over exaggerated. And then in the Huda Beauty palette there is a light pink pressed glitter. I'm going to put that all over the lid as well on top to again look very glittery and like just like really like caked by the goodness of the fairy goddess garden, if that makes sense. And then now I'm highlighting. This is a really good highlighter for a look like this because it's very blinding, it's very out there, and this is the Jeffree Star highlighter in Icy, I believe. If not, I'll put it down below in the bottom bar. And then this is me highlighting my eyebrows. Like I said before, I wanted it to look very three-dimensional, so my actual eyebrow hairs, I'm painting them white, if that makes sense. So I'm pretty much just highlighting them. And this is me adding some freckles, white freckles. Pretty much dot them however you want. I made some bigger, some smaller, close together, not so close together. You kind of just do what you want to make it look how you want it to look. But this liner was really nice to have and handy because this is what I used for pretty much all of the white on my face. So make the freckles however you feel you want to make them. You can also make them whatever color you want. Next I'm going to be going in with a white from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette and highlighting my brows, kind of setting them so they look even more vibrant. And then I'm using this glitter that I got to stamp all over the high points of our face, kind of over the highlighter we just did. And I primed my face for the glitter with the NYX glitter glue, and I'm just kind of patting that all over where I want. Now I'm adding these cute little like pearl looking gems on my face. I added them a couple other places, kind of put them whatever you think they should be. And then I added some rhinestones right under the arch of my brow. I added 3 of them. They look really pretty. I want it to look caked and like crusted from a glittery, gorgeous garden. So that's kind of the inspiration I got from this. And then I'm blending out the bubblegum shade underneath my eye and smoking that out. And then I'm doing a white wing liner. This, I feel like, drew the whole look together. It was like really coming together at this point. I really liked it. This liner worked really well too. And then now I'm just whitening out my neck and chest area so that whenever I take pictures, it looks all one color instead of my face just being one color. And since that face paint is super like sticky, if you don't set it, I just added more of that glitter and I was just like patting it all over my like neck and chest. So it looked like I was again just like crusted from the earth's glitter, if that makes sense. Now my lip color is going to be the same Kylie Jenner liquid lip that we've used on our eyebrows, and I'm just doing my good old overlining those DSAOs. In a second I'm going to add some glitter to the middle part to again add some more dimension, look really glittery and fun and different. If you have made it this far, please leave me a like down below and leave me a little fairy emoji down in the comments so I know you've made it this far. I'm going to make a couple finishing touches and then I will be right back. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching.
She's in the zone. I don't even think she's there. She's possessed.
I'm a fucking fairy bitch.